By the end of the video, we'll know about HIIT Workout for beginners. Start your fitness journey today. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you eager to kickstart your health and fitness journey, but don't know where to begin? Well, you've landed on the right channel. Today, we'll be diving into a comprehensive guide on how to get started with a high-intensity interval training HIIT workout that's perfect for beginners. HIIT is an excellent way to squeeze in an effective workout in a short time, and it's a great introduction for those new to exercise. First things first, let's gear up. You'll need comfortable clothes, suitable shoes, and a gym or some open space. Next up, let's set our goals. We want to alternate between a brisk walk and a jog for 2 minutes each. This will help build your endurance and get your heart pumping. After those 2 minutes are up, it's time to crank it up. Push yourself into a sprint for 30 seconds at full speed. This is where the high intensity comes into play. You should be breathing hard and feeling the burn. But fret not. Alternating between the sprints and rest periods helps keep your body from overheating. And remember, you can gradually increase the time as you progress. You can adjust the intervals to suit your needs. 30 seconds of rest, followed by 1 minute of work, is also effective if you prefer shorter bursts. The most crucial aspect is sticking to these intervals consistently and pushing yourself each time. So what are you waiting for? Let's start our HIIT workout today. Remember, every step counts towards better health and fitness. Stay committed, stay consistent, and soon enough, your fitness goals will become reality. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep moving.